Hi everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a small shopping haul for Stormy. She's over here playing with one of her toys. If you're interested in seeing what I got her, keep watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I want to give a big shout out to Marcos Eats and to Maria Slanda. I will be leaving their links in my description box. If anybody wants to become a member, you just gotta hit the join and I would really appreciate it. Stormy, her little tag. It's purple. I just don't want to show my info, so I'm just showing this side. From Target, I got this bag, and this is actually a diaper bag. Yes, she's not a real baby, but I need to carry her things, and this was perfect. This has 10 pockets, and then it says there, you can see what it has. But even though this is for a real baby, she's still my baby, so she needed a bag also. So this is her little bag. So I just got this. I had ordered this from Amazon, and I got this for Stormy so that I can show her how to potty on grass, because when she goes on grass, she just wants to lay on it and doesn't do anything, because she is now used to the wee-wee pads. So now I want to stop her from using the wee-wee pads and use this. So this has a little drawer, so when the pee falls in here, you could just clean it. And then this is just a patch of grass that you can replace once it gets like ugly. But this is easy to clean because this is just like grass. And I hope that this will teach her. So I'll be leaving the link in my description box for this. For Stormy, I ordered it in pink and they sent me a blue one, but it's okay. So she got the puppy Kong, and she is going to be entertained for a little while with this. I ordered a Kong and that didn't come yet, but I got the puppy peanut butter that goes in it. And I also ordered her this leash, and this one is smaller. The other one I got was big, so I got her a little one. And this is also from Amazon. From Ross, I got Stormy this little dress. I love the colors on the tutu, it's so pretty. And this is an extra small and $4.99. Then I also got her this one, and this is a size small. It says you can call me a princess. It's another little tutu dress. And this one was also $4.99. I got Stormy these months so that I can take pictures of her. And I got this from Bells, and this was $3.99. She started chewing this in the store. She really wanted it. Also from Bells, I got her these bowls. And these were $2.99. From Ross, I got her this little dress. And this was $4.99. And also from Ross, I got her these PJs. And these were $5.99. From PetSmart, I got her this little charm, and this was $3.99. Look how pretty. We were shopping at Ross, and she decided that she wanted this huge lamb chops. It squeaks. So I don't know how she's gonna be able to handle this, and this was only $5.99. From Target, I got her this dress, and this was $9.99, extra small. And then check this out. This is the only reason why I got that dress, because I'm not really into this. But look at this little hat. This is so cute. Look at this. And this was $6.99. How cute is this little hat? From Dollar Tree, I got this toy, and it squeaks on the end and up here. And then I also got this one, and it has a squeaky there. And I got this little black collar. It's cute. From Dollar Tree, I got this toy, and it squeaks up here, and then it squeaks on the bottom. And then I also got this one, and this one just crinkles. And then I also got this laser. I got another pack of wheelie pads, and this is also from Ross, and this was $9.99, and this is a pack of 50. I also got her another pack of this freeze dry treats. She loves this, and this is the way I trained Remy, and this is how I'm training her. If you want to train your puppy, you gotta give them a treat that they really like, and this really works. Sit, down, roll, roll. Good girl, baby. I'm so happy. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are.